Okay, let's learn LangChain. So what is LangChain? LangChain. So LangChain. What is LangChain? LangChain basically is like a framework like others framework available in Python. Similarly, LangChain is specifically designed for Gen AI applications for specifically for LangChain. Large language model based applications. So LangChain is like open source framework, and specifically it is used for development of generative AI applications, and it utilizes basically LLMs for intelligence. If you are building some applications for intelligence purpose, we utilize LLMs to solve problems. So we can use LLM inside. I mean, using LangChain, we can connect with LLMs and build specifically applications. In application, specifically LLM is like a core, or is a heart, it's a core uh, component, or you can say like brain, that basically you solve the problems. And we provide tools. LangChain also provide tool, external tool we can connect by using APIs and connect various LLMs also. I mean, we can connect multiple LLMs and inside each applications using LangChain. And specifically LangChain is specifically used for applications like chatbot building and document analysis tools or agentic AI systems. And so these are the areas we have basically LangChain basically used to build generative AI based application to solve problems. So in the structures I can show you like these are the documents like our data sets. All right. So we want something analysis or something. Uh, I mean, we want something some application to analyze this data, and so we can use LangChain basically to connect each components. Like we can connect data with LangChain. We can connect agents using LangChain. We can connect LLMs. We can connect chain. We can use chain methods to create multiple chains for better uh, problem solving or better conversations between to solving problems. And we utilize prompt template and prompt techniques as well. So all the things available inside LangChain framework. So that is the use cases and the component of the LangChain basically. If we are building some applications, so we can use this. I mean, we can use these components to building that application. So first, to now we are going to like building something. Like first we need to like install the I mean the environment packages to utilize LangChain. So specifically we use LangChain. How we can install LangChain? These are the like command we can install LangChain. Like we here multiple packages available. So, like for LangChain we use LangChain community and LangChain and LangSmith. These are the for LangGraph and LangSmith specifically for uh, agentic system, building agentic system. So here it is not like we are talking about only LangChain and LangChain community. These are the packages we need to install. And for LLMs, we need to install any LLM. Like I want to use here Corey LLMs, so I will install this. So these three packages is required: LangChain Core, LangChain, and LangChain Community. So I'm using Google Colab interface here. So need to run this. It will install packages now. Now first we need to like how to access LLM using LangChain. For example, so like this is LangChain. These are LLM, and this is our like LangChain framework. LangChain framework. So to access this using LangChain for solving a problem. So we can access this LLM using this, but we need something like API. So we can access this LLM basically using APIs. So for like OpenAI LLMs, we need OpenAI API key to access OpenAI LLM. For Core LLMs, we need uh, Core API key. So we can create API keys using like website. You can search on like create an AI API key. Go here, OpenAI platform. And you can log in and then you can create the API keys. And you can use save that API keys for the your communication purpose. But I think OpenAI is not free. You need to take a subscription. So that's why I'm using Core API key. It is free. Mm, but the response or answer is not much. It's not accurate like OpenAI LLM. So for more accurate result, for more valid results, you can use OpenAI API key, and for just for experiment purpose, we can use like Kohri API key. So I have my API keys and I have stored here. So this here my API key. We can also save API key for your for experiment purpose or for building any applications. I have saved all API keys here. Kohri, DeepSeek, Gemini, OpenAI. Now, so how to access LLM? So first we need to like import these libraries. So inside LangChain we have LLMs models. So we can import LangChain model LLM from LangChain library using this command langchain.llms and import the name of the LLM. And you can use here like OpenAI instead of Core. You can use OpenAI as well. But as I suggested, but AI is not free. You need to take subscriptions. So this is like accessing the we are accessing LLM. This is for just for Google Colab environment. If you are using Google Colab, so you can access API key. You can save API keys here, and then you can use this libraries to access this API key from this locations. Because I can't share API keys here as a publicly because it is unique for everyone utilizations. So this line of code is only responsible for access API key from this location where I saved. And then we need to create LLMs. Like we need to configure LLM here. So from Kohori, this query methods, we can access this functions, call this function, and inside we need to pass these parameters. Query API key, API key is like it get value from here, and this value is like set here, and then we can set temperature. This is optional. For more creative or low, not more creative content, we can set if the temperature parameters. This is hyperparameters. Specifically, the value should be 0 to 1. Need to pass. 1 means we are creating more creative content, and 0 means just a straightforward answer. And then you have created and you have configured LLMs. Now you can uh, utilize this LLM, and now you can pass query using invoke function into LLM that take this input query and using APIs, and LLM gives us some response, and, and it will generate the answer. So now I'm running this. What is the capital of India? It will give the answer. It will take some time because we are using APIs. Like giving this answer. Now you can try on the behavior on different temperature parameter. You can see, you can observe the I mean the contain what is the effect happening using different temperature values. So that is like how to access LM using API key. Similarly, you can access others LLM. You can use here OpenAI LLM. Can use Gemini as well. I think Gemini is not available. Okay, but similarly, this is the, I mean, we can access the LLM using LangChain. So that is how to access the LLM using LangChain. Thank you.